Milwaukee impact driver. Milwaukee M12 compact 1/4 inch impact driver kit. Went in to get batteries for my heated coat. Saw this. It has 2 of the 1.5 batteries in it. Also has a charger with it. A little carrying case and the tool. This is my first M12 tool besides my heated jacket that I bought. So I'll go over it with you and open it up with you. Alright, looks like that is everything in the case. Very nice case. Oh, nice. You have the charger right here. You have battery. And right here is the small little 1/4 inch impact driver that comes with it. I'll have to find some bits. Very, very heavy duty. Looks like reverse, forward, Milwaukee impact driver. Nice charger. It's not one of the dual chargers. About the same size as a dual charger though. I do have a bunch of these at work. Here is the battery. Just a little basic 1.5. Work for a little bit of time. Oh. Looks like it has a flashlight. Definitely not brushless. It does create a spark in there, so we won't be able to ever use this in the grain bins. So it'll definitely have to be a home use. It does have a nice belt clip on here. Very heavy duty. The weight compared to something, a cheap little knockoff. This is a very nice little impact driver. Everything I have is Ryobi, so it's definitely cheap, home use. This is very nice construction. This is all metal. Hopefully better than the DeWalt's. We did rip off the head on one once. Standard impact. Lift it up, put it in, clip it down. Love this case. I'll have to take the battery out to fit in the case. Very nice construction. This is like a heavy duty rubber, very heavy plastic. Figured for $100 I'd get this whole kit with the 2 batteries instead of spending almost $80 for a 2 AH battery. I just needed 1 battery. I have a little charger. Now I have one of the big chargers. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, and whenever I get something new or come across something cool, I will share it with you. Thank you very much.